Hello traders, hello investors, how are you guys doing today my friends? Welcome to another video here in the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan and today we're going to talk about Apple. Apple is triggering the top sign it gave us last Friday. Right now we are doing a pullback, so we have a couple of questions, right? I mean, is it doing a pullback? How much could it possibly drop from here? What are the next key points? What to expect on Apple in the next few days? So I will do my best to answer these questions in this video. Just first remember, my dear friends, click on the like button to support this channel and subscribe if you're new around here, because I'm here every single day to keep you guys updated on Apple, Tesla, NVIDIA, NEO and cryptos right now. So seriously, consider subscribing this channel and subscribe my trading newsletters, the Finance Hydra trading newsletters, which are quite good. Daily analysis, strategies, insights and recommendations every single day to keep you guys updated on what's the best around this market. So seriously, consider subscribing my newsletters. Now back to Apple. Apple is gonna follow the overall market. We see a potential correction on the S&P. The S&P is quite resilient, all right? It is. It is not triggering a top sign yet, but the Nasdaq is triggering its top sign. So a pullback to its EMA is totally plausible. So a pullback on Apple is also totally plausible. However, Apple is a little bit stronger than the Nasdaq index, meaning we have more support levels. It seems it went up more sharply than the Nasdaq Composite Index itself. So Apple is indeed stronger. It seems since we did hit our previous target around 151, the volume decreased, indicating that, okay, we just hit a target, let's calm down a little bit and see what's going on Apple. I believe that's exactly how the smart money is thinking right now. This lack of strength indicates that they're not buying, but they're not selling either because the volume is not that high. So it feels like people are just cautious. Investors are just cautious. We have a crystal clear support level at 151, our previous target, which was previously a resistance on Apple. Now, if this point works as a support level, great. That's totally expected. Any meaningful bullish reaction near 151 would be just an opportunity to buy. If we lose the 151, I believe we're going to retest the 21 EMA then. And the logic applies here as well. Any bullish, meaningful reaction around the EMA would be an opportunity to buy. In the 1 hour chart, we see a possible, if you have some imagination, we see a possible head and shoulders chart pattern, right? Either way, we must stay above 151. I believe 151 is the neckline of this bearish chart pattern. Only if we lose 151, we're gonna trigger a sharper pullback, a bearish structure in the 1 hour chart, also known as a pullback in the daily chart. Okay, so if we lose 151, I believe we're gonna seek the EMA. Then we might see an opportunity to buy Apple again. Right now, I think it is a little bit risky to buy Apple, considering it is doing a correction. Is this correction means Apple is going to reverse the trend? No, it's not a reversal structure. We don't see any reversal evidence, chart-wise at least, on Apple at this moment. We don't see any bearish structure like double top, head and shoulders in the daily chart, let me see, or any other bearish structure like the possibility of a V-shaped recovery, right? This is not happening. The volume is too low over here. I'm so sorry, I said V-shaped recovery, inverted V-shaped movement, right? The volume is too low, so I don't believe Apple, even if Apple corrects, it could drop too much. And if it drops to its EMA, I would see this just as an opportunity to buy it. I don't see Apple as an opportunity to short or to sell. Right now would be just a hold. And if you want to add positions or buy Apple because you missed it, the key point over here, or I don't know, regardless of your strategy, I would see it only as a buy. But after the pullback is materialized, and of course, after we see a meaningful bullish reaction. All right, right now we don't see any meaningful bullish reaction. The indices are just dropping. I don't see any evidence they're going to react right now, but they are still bullish. We still see higher highs, higher lows on the Nasdaq, on the S&P. This is great. And we are above our EMAs over here. So this is quite good. I like this scenario. I like how Apple is doing right now. And of course, if it triggers this head and shoulders, we gotta wait in the sequence for a bullish reaction, okay? Before buying Apple again. Right now, I don't see any meaningful reason to buy it. Of course, if you are a fundamental investor, if you look at fundamentals, okay, maybe you see Apple as a buy right now at this moment, regardless the possibility of a pullback. But to me, I always like to buy Apple near support levels. And of course, I will keep you guys updated every single day on Apple. So seriously, subscribe this channel, subscribe my newsletters. Thank you very much for your audience. See you guys tomorrow. Stay safe. Farewell.